In late October 2025, the island of Jamaica faced an unprecedented natural event. The hurricane, known as Hurricane Melissa, formed in the Atlantic and rapidly intensified, heading straight for southwestern coast of Jamaica. Melissa began as a tropical wave of West Africa around mid-October, moved into the Caribbean, and then found exceptionally favorable conditions. Warm waters, low wind shear, and weak steering currents. This allowed it to become a Category 5 storm before it reached Jamaica. The government of Jamaica issued evacuation orders in flood and wind-prone areas, opened hundreds of shelters, and mobilized emergency services. Still, many residents remain in their homes. Officials warn some communities will not survive the worst flooding. On 28 October 2025, Melissa made landfall near New Hope in Westmoreland Parish with sustained winds of up to 185 mph. It triggered a storm surge of up to 13 feet and caused catastrophic flooding and wind damage across the island. Hundreds of thousands lost power, roads were blocked by landslide and falling trees, hospitals and homes suffered major damage. In St. Elizabeth's Parish, landscape flooding left communities underwater and residents cut off. Experts say Melissa illustrates how extreme hurricanes are becoming more frequent and intense as oceans warm and atmospheric conditions shift. For Jamaica and the wider Caribbean, the event underscores the urgent need to rebuild stronger, adapt infrastructure, and resilience. Hurricane Melissa will be remembered as a defining moment for Jamaica, a storm that tested its people, infrastructure, and future readiness. What happens next in recovery and preparation will determine how well the island stands against future storms.